Newtown Landing is a community of affordable, ranch-style homes located in Stephens City, Virginia, just 15 minutes outside of Old Town Winchester. With lawn maintenance, snow removal, and popular options included, you'll soon understand why so many have decided to call Newtown Landing home. At Newtown Landing, everything you need is included in the base price. Enjoy an upgraded kitchen with granite countertops, large center island, upgraded cabinets, appliances, hard surface flooring, and a smart home technology, all included. Plus, you'll enjoy a 2-car garage on all floor plans and an unfinished basement perfect for all of your storage needs. You'll also have more time to do the things you enjoy when grass mowing, mulch maintenance, pruning, and snow removal is all included. Newtown Landing is located in Frederick County, Virginia, just outside of Winchester. You'll enjoy close proximity to local shops and restaurants in Stephens City and Route 11, and easy access to I-81 and I-66. The community is less than 5 minutes to Martin's grocery store, 2 miles to Alamo Draft House, 10 minutes to Walmart and Target, and just 15 minutes to Old Town Winchester and the Walking Mall. Are you ready to schedule your private appointment? We are in our last phase of Newtown Landing. Schedule a visit today and start living your best life. We can't wait to welcome you home.